Hello, today we will guide you through how to remove Systeme.io branding. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to remove the default logo from a page inside your Systeme.io funnel so your design reflects your own brand. We'll move step by step inside the dashboard and the page editor, keeping things simple and clear. Begin by heading to your Systeme.io dashboard. This is your main control center where you can access all the tools you need to manage sites, funnels, and pages. Once the dashboard loads, look toward the top navigation bar and hover your mouse over the Sites menu. Hovering opens a quick menu, making it easy to jump straight to the part of your site you want to work on without extra clicks. From that menu, choose Sales Funnels. This takes you to your list of funnels, where each funnel contains one or more steps, such as opt-in pages, sales pages, and thank you pages. Find the funnel and page you want to update. Here we'll open the sample page as an example. Selecting it brings up the page's settings and options. Next, click Edit Page. This opens the visual page editor, where every element is editable directly on the canvas. Give it a moment to load fully so all the elements appear exactly as visitors would see them. Now, locate the logo on the page. In many templates, the logo appears in the header at the very top, but it can also appear in a section near the top of the content. Scroll slowly if you don't see it right away. You're looking for the small image element that represents the default or sample logo included with the template. Click the sample logo to select it. When it's selected, you should see editing controls appear either in a sidebar or as a small toolbar on or near the element. These controls confirm that you're editing the correct item. With the logo selected, click the delete icon, typically shown as a trash can. This removes the sample branding from the page, allowing your layout to focus on your own messaging and visuals. The page will reflow automatically after deletion. This is normal and helps keep spacing consistent. If your header looks more minimal afterward, that's expected and often desirable for a clean, branded look. That's it. You've removed the Systeme.io branding logo from the page. If you use multiple steps in your funnel and see the same logo elsewhere, repeat this process on those pages to keep everything consistent. Thanks for following along, and enjoy a cleaner, more professional funnel that puts your brand front and center.